Living in London, I go to the cinema a lot. I saw a really good film yesterday. It's based on a book that I haven't read. Having enjoyed the film so much, I'm definitely going to read the book. Living in London and having enjoyed the film so much are both participle clauses. Participle clauses are made with verb forms called participles.
There are two types of participle. ing participles, such as living, enjoying, seeing, going, and ed participles, such as lived, enjoyed. Ed participles include irregular past participles, such as seen and gone. In participle clauses, these two types of participle have both active and passive forms. Here are the active forms. First, the continuous form, using the ing participle. For example, living, enjoying. And second, the perfect form. The perfect form uses having and the ed participle, having lived, having enjoyed. Look at this example of a continuous participle clause. Leaving the cinema, we saw John and Alice. The continuous participle clause means as we were leaving the cinema. It describes our situation at the time when we saw them. A participle clause refers to a noun or pronoun in the main clause, we in this case. So the participle clause often goes at the beginning of the sentence and refers to the subject of the sentence. If a continuous participle clause goes at the end of the sentence, it may change the meaning. In "We saw John and Alice leaving the cinema," the participle clause refers to they. We saw them as they were leaving. Even state verbs, such as be and know, which aren't normally used in continuous forms, can be used with ing participles. Being in a hurry, we didn't stop to chat. In order to make a participle clause negative, put not in front of it. Not being in a hurry, we stopped for a chat. Or, not having read the book, I can't say whether it's better than the film. And now for the passive participle forms. The simple form, which uses the ed participle, the continuous form with being and the ed participle, and the perfect form with having been and the ed participle. Here are some examples of passive participle clauses of each type. Seen on a big screen, many films are more enjoyable than they are on TV. This new film, currently being shown in cinemas, will be available on DVD next month. New films often appear on TV having been shown previously in cinemas.